Welcome to the Grapevine, Vancouver's local real estate insider, built especially for homeowners like you. If you're thinking about downsizing or just curious about where the market's heading, this is your space to stay informed, confident, and in control. Every month, we deliver helpful tips, real market insights, and stories from real people making big moves, just like you. From organizing your home to understanding Vancouver's real estate trends, we break it down, without the sales pressure. The Grapevine keeps you one step ahead, whether you're moving next year or just exploring your options today. Join hundreds of Vancouver homeowners who already read the Grapevine. It's free, it's local, and it's made just for you. Enter your email to receive the next edition today.